Screen reader and assistive technology users browse sections of a bcourses page using headings and subheadings. Proper use of headings creates semantic structure and provides an organized layout for navigation. Without headings, pages are presented as one long paragraph to screen reader users. Additionally, constructing content using headings allows all learners to more readily locate, identify, and understand logical units of information. To begin, open your bcourses site and select Pages from the Course Navigation menu. Then select View All Pages. If you already have an existing page you'd like to add headings to, select that page. But if you'd like to create an entirely new page with headings, select the blue Add Page icon in the top right corner. Enter a page title in the small text box at the top. Then, in the larger text box below, type or paste the page's contents. To add heading structure to the page contents, highlight the text intended to be used as a heading, then select the desired heading level from the paragraph dropdown. bcourses automatically designates the title of the page as heading level 1, so all subheadings must be assigned heading level 2, 3, or 4. Use these heading tags to structure the page's main topics and subtopics. It's important to adhere to the correct order of headings and not skip heading levels, as screen reader users will wonder if content is missing. And remember, heading level choices are not based on aesthetics. Heading levels are meant to provide semantic structure and make the material more easily interpretable. It's also essential that the names of headings are unique from the page's title. When you have finished assigning headings to your bcourses page, simply select the Save and Publish button. The page will now appear in the Pages section of your bcourses site. Screen reader and assistive technology users will be able to navigate the page using the heading structure you've created.